We'll guide you through how to set up Droidcam OBS. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do as you can then go and use your phone as your webcam, for example an Android or an iPhone. So to go and get started, we're going to go and close OBS just like so, and you want to go and open a web browser of your choice. And what you want to do is go and search for Droidcam. You can come to droidcam.app. Now you want to go and scroll down like so and find the OBS plugin. Click there. You can scroll down and read about it, but what we need to do is scroll down and we can find Windows. If you use a different operating system, select that and it's now downloaded. Open up your downloads. Here we are in File Explorer, and then you want to run the Droidcam OBS setup. You'll get a Windows QD pop-up you need to agree to. Now read through this license agreement. If you agree to it, press I agree, press next, and we can then press install. Then press finish. Now you can go and open up OBS again. Come onto your device, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. Open up your phone store and you can go to the bottom and press search and search for Droidcam, download it, and we can then open it up like so. Now come back to your computer, come into sources and you can press the plus and you need to go and find Droidcam OBS. Then you can press OK. What you want to do is come down to Wi-Fi IP, type in the IP and the port shown on your phone screen. Above it says activate. Click there and it should go and connect. At the top, you could increase the resolution, but you will get a watermark unless you go and get the premium version of Droidcam. And then what you can do is press OK, and you can go and start adjusting it to your liking by clicking, holding and dragging.